This video shows the calm and satisfying restoration of a buried Ford Raptor that was abandoned in a junkyard and left to slowly disappear under dirt, rust, and time. At the beginning, the truck looks completely lifeless, covered in mud and damage, with no sign of its former power or beauty. Step by step, the rescue begins, starting with carefully digging it out, washing away years of grime, and slowly revealing what was hidden underneath. Every sound you hear is real and intentional, from the splash of water to the gentle scrape of tools and the solid clicks of bolts being tightened. There is no talking and no music, allowing you to fully relax and focus on the ASMR experience and the craftsmanship behind the restoration. As the process continues, damaged parts are repaired, the engine is cleaned and refreshed, and the body is brought back to life with precision and patience. By the end of the video, the transformation is complete, and the Ford Raptor stands strong, clean, and powerful once again, proving that even something buried and forgotten can be restored with care, skill, and time.